Hello friends, this is my next video tutorial for creating a layout with the help of HTML5 and CSS. In this video tutorial, I would like to introduce some new tags that had been introduced in HTML5. These HTML elements, these new tags are the divs which has been provided that can be used for meaningful purposes in creating a layout. Introduce you these elements or tags. First one is called the header, that is used to create header in which you can provide a image into your header. Second is called the nav for the navigation bar, or the aside for creating a sidebar. Next one is called in which all your content will be displayed. Third one is called the footer, and I would like to save it on my desktop with the help of HTML layout demo.html. So I would like to open it in the browser and look at this. Nothing will be displayed, so let us style it so that we can create the layout. First one is called our header, second one is called our navigation bar, third one is called our aside for the sidebar, third one and fourth one is called the main, and the last one is the footer. And look at this, how can we style it? By default, the width of the div or all the elements is 100% and the height is 0 pixel. The color is transparent, so we have to justify all our containers, all our divs for our requirement. The first thing is I would like to provide the height of my header to 150 pixels. It will not going to display, as I already told you, the background color of this div is transparent, so I would like to provide a background color that can be displayed. Look at this, I would like to save this one and look at this. So the next one is my navigation bar, that will be of suppose 50 pixel white, and the background color of this one is blue. I'm just going to create a layout. After that I will discuss that how can we provide navigation bar, how can we create in my later videos. So you can see there is a nice looking header and there is a space for my navigation bar. Next one is my aside. I would like to provide a height of 300 pixels and the background color for this one is orange. And look at this, will be displayed as there, but this is 100% width. I don't need 100%, so I would like to adjust the width up to 250 pixels. That will be, I think, sufficient for me. Now look, so I would like to increase some height so that it looks good. Now look at this. Next one is my main, and I would like to provide the height for this one as my aside background color for sky blue. And look at this, it is no, I don't need this one. So what I want to do, I would like to stretch it here, some space I require, so I would like to provide a margin from the left. Remember one thing, the pixel that has been used for the aside bar is used here, 250 pixels. And look at this, what will happen now? You can see space is available for my sidebar, but what I want, this must be at the back of this one. So how can we do this kind of thing? One thing I have to do is provide the float property, and where you want your sidebar, I want my sidebar at the left, then left. If you want the sidebar, your sidebar must be presented at the right side of your layout, then you have to use three things. Float must be right, you can see this one, and margin must be at the right. And look at this nice looking layout. Now what we have to do, I have to provide footer, and look at this, I would like to provide a height of 50 pixels and the background color will be purple. And look at this, nice looking. But there is something that is that I don't like, that is my space, these areas. I don't need such kind of spaces. This represent my body area. So what I would like to access my body area, I would like to decrease my margin to 0 and padding to 0. Margin and padding will get reduced. We can increase our width and height as per our content. Suppose minimum width and height, minimum height. I will provide minimum height so that if my content grows, it will automatically get stretched and go down. So this is my video tutorial for creating a layout. You can see if you want more than one, you can use one more aside. You have to provide any ID or class, but we will discuss this for the next video session. So thank you. Please, if you like my video, please subscribe or comment if you have any suggestion. Thank you very much.